Hey everyone, my name is Jessica Tergesen and I am the Education Director at Strategies. I am so excited to be talking with you today about one of my favorite topics, building career paths for people in our industry so they can have long, fulfilling, and happy careers in an industry that so often gets a bad rap for a high burnout rate. Want to know the number one reason people leave this industry? It's not bad clients, slow days, or even money. It's that dead-end feeling. People stay where they see growth. No growth, no retention. It really is as simple as that. Imagine walking into work every day knowing exactly where you're going in your career. That sounds amazing, right? That's what a career path does. A career path is like your GPS for success. It shows you where you are, where you're going, and what turns to take. I don't know about you, but when I'm on a road trip, it's not solely about the destination. It's about the experience that is created to get there. Roadside food stands, scenic back roads, photo opportunities, and small local shops. The stops along the way are just as important in the story as the final destination. In fact, when you're creating a career path, the side stops along the way, the journey in itself, is more important than just dangling a carrot about what they could potentially achieve. Creating a career path that leads to retention can be about a couple different things. Let's start with skill growth. Are we creating an environment that continuously prioritizes education and growing our skills? Next, it can be about income potential. Are your raises, advancements, and opportunities clearly laid out for people? They want to know the possible destinations and know exactly how to get there. The last one we will talk about today is specialization, like becoming a blonding expert or a color correction guru. These can also be a major part of creating a career path that is authentic to your business. People don't leave jobs, they leave uncertainty. A clear career path is purpose plus motivation plus retention. What if during your interview with a new stylist, you were able to lay out a career path for them? Laying out a timeline of skill progression, income potential, and advancement opportunities that will be offered to them further in the journey. I mean, who would walk away from a company that was so committed to growth and retention that they had their growth journey mapped out for them? Even solo artists need a plan. Are you adding services, creating a brand, hiring an assistant? Mapping it out keeps you invested. This isn't just for salon owners and teams. Solo artists, I'm talking to you too. Take the time to map out your career path. This will keep you invested, motivated, and always striving for new heights. I know that this all sounds great, but you might be asking yourself, where should I start? Step 1, define growth levels and give them a name. Some examples are newbie, specialist, educator, or phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. It doesn't matter what they are. Pick something that speaks to your brand and run with it. Step 2 is to identify skills at each level. What do they need to learn, understand, and perform to be at each level? Next is step 3. This is where you create milestones along the way, like certifications, revenue goals, and leadership roles. Celebrating the wins, whether they are small or big, makes people feel seen, heard, and appreciated. Which leads to step 4. Don't play small. Make the growth plan visible and celebrated with social media shoutouts, promotions, training investments, and added benefits. Get your note-taking tools ready. I am going to recap that for you. Step 1, define your growth levels and name them. Step 2, identify the skills that live at each level. Step 3, create milestones along the way. And step 4, don't play small. Don't put limits on yourself or the journey. Whether you are designing those 4 steps for an entire team or simply for yourself, with those 4 simple steps, you are well on to your way to setting your business apart from anyone else. You're on the journey of creating a lasting legacy that will lead to long, healthy, and fulfilling careers for people that go much deeper than, I want to make more money. That is just one example, but if that is someone's destination or end goal, let's provide them with the journey they need to get there. Don't leave it up to guessing and wishing and just shooting from the hip. Let's get serious and intentional about the work that is going to go into our careers. With that being said, career paths shouldn't feel corporate. Our industry is way too fun for that. Gamify it, host friendly competitions, and put energy behind the education. Start to showcase success stories. There are real transformations that are going to happen during their time on the career path. Let it serve as an inspiration for others. Solo friends, the celebration is for you too. Self-designed growth plans, especially for booth renters and solos, need just as much reward and fun than the owner and a large team. What can you add in for bonuses for yourself? What opportunities can you seek out for yourself to continue to level up your skills? Let me let you in on a secret. The businesses that grow the fastest, they invest in their people. What's one step you can take today to create a clearer path for your team or for yourself? Let's start changing the standard for our industry by providing fulfilling and sustainable careers for ourselves and fellow stylists. Let's create growth journeys that people would be crazy to not go on. We are in this together.